Video we're going to talk about the other two underscore.js functions called underscore.first and underscore.last functions. So what the underscore first do is it actually returns the first item of an array or an object. Uh, However, in case if you pass the second parameter into it, then it's actually going to return the array containing the n number of items from the beginning of the array, and the underscore dot last, this actually returns the last item from the array or object that you pass. And if you pass the second parameter as the count or the number, then it's going to give us the last two, or last three, depending on what count you're passing from the item of the array. So I'll just explain that to you with examples. Okay, so right, so this is the syntax. Underscore dot first, you pass the array or object. The second parameter is optional in case if you want the n number of items from the beginning of the array, and the last will give you the n number of items from the end of the array, and the array or object is the first parameter that you pass. So they've got similar kind of syntax. We'll get this in action now. So this is my javascript.js file. We've taken variable, I've declared variable output first, output last, and then there is an array containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, 5 numbers. It's called num array. So the first variable, we are assigning it to the function which is underscore dot first. We are passing this array into this, and it's going to return to us the first item of the array, which is 3. So let's see if that's happening. Right, so it gives 3, which is the first item of the array, and then output last is basically the underscore dot last function. We're passing this same array into this. It's going to give us the last item of the array, which is 10, and that's what we get here when we do console.log. Okay, and in case if we pass the second parameter, let's say I want the first two numbers, first two items, we'll pass 2 as a second parameter, and we should get the first two items, 3 and 5, in form of an array. Similarly, for the underscore dot last, if you pass the second parameter, let's say I want last 3 items from the array, and let's go back and refresh. Yes, we've got 9, 8, and 10. 9, 8, and 10, which are the last 3 items. Alright, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and you can watch my next video.